Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Pi42 Exchange. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in technical analysis, the RSI indicator. If used correctly, it can transform the way you trade, so let's get started. The RSI or Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100 and gives us two key insights: divergence with price action and overbought or oversold conditions. RSI divergence. First, let's talk about divergence. Divergence happens when the price action and RSI indicator move in opposite directions. For example, if the price is making higher highs but the RSI is making lower highs, it is called a bearish divergence. This could indicate that the upward momentum is weakening and a reversal might be on the way. On the flip side, if the price is making lower lows, but the RSI is making higher lows, it's a bullish divergence. This suggests the selling pressure is decreasing and a potential upward move could be coming. Divergences are like early warning signals. They help you spot potential reversals before they happen. But remember, always confirm them with other indicators or patterns before making a trade. RSI overbought and oversold zones. The second way to use RSI is by identifying overbought and oversold regions. Typically, when RSI is above 70, the asset is considered overbought, meaning it might be due for a pullback. When RSI is below 30, it's oversold, signaling a potential bounce back. Here is how you can use this in your trades. When RSI is overbought, look for signs of a trend reversal to downside. When RSI is oversold, watch for a reversal to the upside. But this is important, don't rely on RSI alone. Combine it with support and resistance levels, trend lines, or moving averages for better accuracy. Also keep in mind that in bull markets, the RSI can remain above 70 for extended periods, indicating the price may continue rising even faster before any reversal occurs. Similarly, in bear markets, the RSI can stay below 30 for a prolonged time, suggesting the price might keep falling even faster before a reversal happens. Now let's look at an example. Trade chart with bullish divergence. So here is a token showing a bullish divergence on the RSI. The price is making lower lows, but the RSI is trending upwards. A few candles later, the price breaks out, confirming the reversal. Simple yet effective. Another example is trade chart with bearish divergence. So here is a token showing a bearish divergence on the RSI. The price is making higher highs, but the RSI is trending downwards. A few candles later, the price breaks down, confirming the reversal. So there you have it, two powerful ways to use the RSI indicator. Spotting divergence to predict reversals, identifying overbought or oversold conditions to time your entries and exits. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. And let me know in the comments, how do you use the RSI indicator in your trades. Until next time, happy trading and stay sharp.